All right, so in regards to the graphics, the graphic assets, they should be in the public assets. This is ones for the questions, the logo, and the lower thirds. So very similar format. Cold open, title card, then start the content. Okay, so the questions and everything are mogered, so you can get them when you go into the graphics tab, and then just add them as such. Okay, and then what they'll look like when you pull them up. Okay, VP lower thirds, okay, and VP questions. That's what they should look like. Okay, so let's get back onto the editing screen on one monitor. Okay, so the questions would look like this. This is what it should look like in final. Okay, what it looks like when you pull it back in, when you pull it back into the graphics tab. Okay, it's going to be a very long version, because sometimes the questions we get are pretty long-winded, and I try to actually like have the whole question there. So here, if I drag drop it, this is the actual entirety of the question. Okay, so let's actually edit this together real quick so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Because the size, you can see automatically, is different. This, because I expect sometimes, again, like some of the lines become a whole fucking story, and then this. Okay, so I don't know, I keep switching. I normally have everything in one spot, so this is what it'll look like if you click on through. I think what is this, 81% opacity, so I can so you can see the back a little bit more. Cool, and then give it a fade, maybe a little less than a second. Let's see how it looks.
To get more traffic.
Too long. Okay, maybe just 10 frames. Maybe 20 frames. Cool, and then move that by accident. Boom. Oh god, I'm not a fan of editing on one screen. Boom. Okay, and then boom. So sometimes if it's like one question, one line fucking question. Okay, that is tiny as fuck. So two ways I go about fixing this. I can scale the text. Okay, but you want to also keep in mind this little spacing that's happening right here. See, it starts getting cut off. I'm going to take out this multicam editing. Okay, so all you gotta do is just bring it down. Not to scale, whoops. And just bring it down. Boom.
PC or Facebook ads. Easy as that.
Cool. And then another one, or another way you can also go about it is you can also scale it from here, and that works as well.
Short answer to that, to be honest.
Cool. And then let's actually do this one real quick.
What are good ways to learn to become the best digital marketer?
Okay, that's a pretty short question. What are ways to become the best digital marketer? Boom. And keep in mind, this happens. So what you want to do is just separate it. Boom. So it's looking good already. I am having a little bit of a problem with how bright it is, so, but I think we're fine for now.
You gotta catch them all.
So,
what are good ways to learn to become the best digital marketer?
Okay, so that's where the question ends. So I'm gonna press R just to scale it down in terms of the time. Not you. There you go. Boom. And now it is appropriately
What are good ways to learn to become the best digital marketer?
Okay, I might actually, the question pops out, animates out a little faster. So I'm going to bring it out a little bit more.
Digital marketer.
A little bit more. Just finessing it now.
Digital marketer.
Boom, there you go.
What are you trying to do?
You gotta
There you
catch them.
And that's how you do the questions. Do it for all of them. Only put it when the question begins and when the question ends. And yeah. Alright, so on to the lower thirds.